friends. Good afternoon, Mr. Kim. Hey, brothers and sisters.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Great, fantastic, very bombastic, how life will let awake enthusiastic.
So, this is my second time to present this book. So, yeah, it's called 25 Ways to Win with People. Did you apply? Did you learn something last time? Did you apply it? So, brothers and sisters. So, this is it's my continuation of my presentation. So this is the last. This is all the 15 we tackled last time. So number 1. So 25 ways to win with people. Start with yourself. Second, let people know you need them. Create a memory and visit it often. So through pictures, like compliment in front of the other people. Give others a reputation to uphold. Say the right words at the right time. Encourage their dreams. Pass the credit on to others. Share a secret with someone. Do for others what they can't do for themselves. Keep your eyes off the mirror. So not only focusing in yourself. So listen with your heart. Be the first to help and add value to people. Help people win. So now I start. So this is the 15. So first 15. So 10 more. So 10 more. So I want to show you one by one. So first one. So this is the 16. So the 30 seconds rule. So have you heard about 30 seconds rule?
No.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
So according to Bible, according to the Google, can you read Shintaro? So this
The
part.
first one, just for straight, the 30-second rule is simply this. Within the first 30 seconds of any conversation, do or say something to encourage the person you are speaking with. And on average, we hear about 25,000 words each day, spanning 4.5 hours worth of conversations.
I do. So you didn't realize that mostly when we saying a word, so we make a 25,000 words each day, right? So imagine you have a lot of words like to say. So this is very important part of our communication with other people. So especially from the first 30 seconds we talk about. So mostly these 30 seconds we encourage people, talking with kind of motivation, like with other people, like we are what we have right now, right? We are doing lecture, so we give motivation and give importance to what we are saying, right, with the people. So when it becomes a habit for you, people will light up when you will walk into any room, right, Aju? So it become your habit to talk with people and give encouragement, inspiration. So it's become light up. So everybody can get more inspiration, right? Even a simple words, right? So, have you ever inspired yesterday?
Yes.
Do you inspired yesterday?
Yes.
What word do you get, Okiana? Yesterday. Panda, Kung Fu Panda, right?
Inner peace, inner peace.
Change is always changes. Change can be good.
Yeah, change can be good. I do. So I also get believe in yourself. Yeah, sometimes it's for us to believe in ourselves, so we can do everything, right? Sometimes without ourselves, right? Yeah, like the Pax. So he doubt a lot of herself, so but she can do, right? So in hers, it's nice way to make it a habit. Open your calendar every day. Look at the people you will meet during the day and plan something encouraging to say, right? Even simple things. So like to do something good. So this is very good kind of habit. It can be something they've done for you and that you thought was great and amazing, or that you are really thankful for it, or something they have recently done well, or something they achieved, right? Someone you congratulate, right? Someone like accomplish something, like if you graduation day, like, so congratulations, happy birthday. So that kind of encouragement that we give to people, it give them booster the inspirations in their lives, right? So something that they can be more inspired, right? So next, so number 17. So remember a person's story. Can you read Haruna this part?
Asking a puzzle story says you could be special. Remembering says you're special. Reminding him the story says you're special to me. And repeating to someone else says you should be special to them.
Do you? Do you have a special person in your life?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, of course. All of us want to have a special person, and most of the time we tell story, right? So our experience. So when we go back home, so after here in America, so we tell a story, right? So sometimes this story can be inspiration to others, right? So how people accomplish, how something you overcome, and how something make your lives different, right? So as the result, you become special to the person sharing the story with you, right? So you become story because you're thinking that this person, so try to express your experience wherever you go, right? And so I do keep a word file with notes on important people in my life. Have you noted some people who are very important to your life? Or you feel very grateful? So it's very important to have to remember, the persons, stories in our life too. So especially our background, we have different background. Right? So we know if we know each other, so we know how to communicate more deeper than different person, right? By understanding our story, our experiences, or our backgrounds, right? So next, number 18. Can you read it, Yana?
Yes. Point out people's strength. Everyone has some special ability. Find it, and point it out to them. Pointing out strengths underlines people's uniqueness. Every person can do at least one thing better than 10,000 other people. People are motivated in their areas of strength. People add the most value in their strength zone. Look for the best in others. Speak up. Tell them to plant success seeds.
Ju? Yeah, so everyone is unique, right? So we know that God created us with unique, right? So although we are not really greater than other people, so but among 10,000 people, we are very good in one thing, right? If you are good in reading, so not all people speak English, right? Not all Japanese, not all Filipino, not all Korean speak English like very well, right? Not all, but at least you know how to speak, right? So something you are very different from them, right? So we by sharing the strength and ability of one person, you're good in like this, by appreciating one strength and ability, it makes me inspired, right? So do you think you will be inspired if I tell to like Satoka? You are beautiful today, right? You are very beautiful, so you become happy, right? Or like Soyoung, if I
Yes.
said your cook is very delicious, you
Thank
become very
you.
right. so, so you may not become more. Your cook might not be delicious than the others, but the rest of the people, you are good, right? So it means you have this kind of strength and power. So it's little more powerful. So it makes you different from other people, right? So when you have something special with you, and you need to tell it to the people that you are different. You have this kind of things, right? So for me, if some people you're good at this one and this one, so I feel more appreciated and I feel more grateful. Next, number 19. Mind the gold of good intention. Can you read, Soyoung?
Yes, mind the goal of good intentions. Expect good from people. People generally give you what you expect for them. Now? Okay. Believe the best about people. See things from their
Perspective.
perspective. Give people the benefit of the
Doubt.
doubt. Remember their good days, not their bad ones.
Yeah, I do. So yeah, but most of the time, like usually people, so especially this last one, remember their good days, not their bad ones, right? So because bad what makes you feel sad, right? So but during the good days, but of course we sometimes we back to the memories, very sad places, right? But good days, so it makes more like more rejoice, right? It makes more our spirit more higher. Yeah, so sometimes we need to have like good intention, like believing that this person is, you are the best, you are good, yeah, you are better than before, right? So although we have a lot of background past, like we feel very fail, so within ourselves, but when we try to keep moving forward, so we are being different from the past 2 days, right? So something we accomplish in our life, right? So we should have this kind of expectation towards other people as well. Give them that looking at them from the higher perspective that you can do this more, you can overcome this kind of things, right? So because everyone overcome, right? So you can also do it, right? So through that, by appreciating one's good perspective, so we raise the standard of becoming more better, you know, from good more better, right? So next, okay, can you read Satoka?
From the top,
Yeah.
20. Find the keys to their hearts. Establish common ground with people. Find out what appeals to them, what they aspire, what they find joy in, and what hurts them. What do you dream about? Look at their heart. What do you cry about? Understand their heart. What do you think about? Their thoughts of strength. What are your values? Sacred
Sacred.
Sacred heart chambers. What are your strengths? What makes them proud? What is your temperament? Discover the way to their hearts. Establish common ground. Realize that with time, people change. Stay in continual conversation. Look for change in indicators when they heard enough, learn enough, receive enough.
You saying something? So yeah. So find the keys to their heart. So sometimes people, so they are looking for just people who understand them, right? So when I feel bad, when I feel angry, when I feel sad, when I feel joyful, so we want to make sure everyone's like the same feeling, right? So and you want people also understand when you're angry, when you're sad. So how can I become happy when I'm sad and you're happy? When you're laughing at me and I'm very feel sad, right? So it's not really good kind of image to share to brothers and sisters, right? So of course we need to know, understand each one of us heart. That's why being a leader is not easy, right? Because we have different heart and each one of us different kind of learning and understanding to what leaders say might say. It might hurt to you, but to others not, right? So it's very difficult to understand. So that's why we need to really ask a lot of things about our strength, about our situation, so about our feelings towards our activities and our mission. So what do you feel now? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Are you
So we
happy?
should become happy. So if everyone is happy, everyone will feel the same, right? So it should be our spirit, and yeah. So we should be look to inside to each one of our hearts by understanding, like more our heart bigger, yeah, to each one of us. We're not only talking about for myself, but we talking about each one of us as a members, as a leader. So it become really leading many members. You're not only looking for one person, but we are looking for everyone, right? For the sake of many. So next. So 21. Remember your Melisman name. So what's the meaning of Melisman? You know, in America, it's very normal. Yeah, I don't know other countries, but so America. So Melisman's name, it means we speak of the post. So the postman, or postwoman, or the poster, posting a letter and putting the letter in the post box. In the U.S., we call our letter carrier mailsman because it's mail. And you? So some people, so because these people are the people who are always serving the community, right? So so sometimes they need appreciation, and they need someone to talk to them, right? Not only by sending mails like that. So that's why there is a word say the name 3 times in conversation. Sometimes we need to speak to them, then converse with the name, asking their name, ask question about the name, visualize the person prominent physical or personality feature, and lastly end the conversation with the name. So every time they come to your house, they feel more connected. They feel more close relationship to you. right? So by remembering their name, so you become closer, right? So imagine in everyone you have a leader, right? And then your leader don't know your name. So how you become more closer? Yeah, if your leader don't also know your name. So imagine the whole of your personality. So without remembering, of course, that's why when we met one person, very important to know is the name first, right? And the rest, the attitude, everything, and backgrounds, right? So it's very important. So number 22, write notes of encouragement. Sorry, black. So do you receive a lot of letters, encouragement to brothers and sisters? So right. So yeah, when we have brothers and sisters who are going back to their homes, we try to send a little bit letters from them, appreciation. So do you think they will appreciate it? So of course. So this letter give them encouragement, and sometimes when our parents, so they some write a letter from us, so we feel so grateful because they give us like kind of care on love. So take time to write personal notes of encouragement and appreciation on the regular basis. So sometimes it's help us, right, to connect more with people. So by writing special notes, so wherever we go, wherever in a working place, in our mission place, brothers and sisters. So even the people outside that we witness, right? So do you think they feel more encouragement, right? When we give them something inspirational. That's why in fundraising, so for me, I'm so grateful also on one of my experience. So when we do fundraising, we give some little words of inspiration, and they're very thankful. So by even getting something, and it's feel their more motivation and good feeling towards us, because they feel this person not only looking for support but also inspiring people, right? So through this very powerful understanding. So number 23, give with no string attached. Can you read, Captain Arjun?
The act of doing something without asking for anything in return. How to give with no string attached. It means that when you give something, whether in kind, monetary, or a gratitude, the recipient is not compromised nor obligated to give back in return. You're simply doing something in good favor or good nature, or not expecting the same in return.
True. So everything we do, so everything we give for the public is for the sake of the public. It's not because we wanted to receive something, right? Ju? So that's why it's always true parents teach us how to live for the sake of others without thinking any return, right? So the same thing with people. So we are not in touch with people. So sometimes we think that we do something good, so we need to receive something, right? So it's not like that the life is, but we should like give and give. So this is how one way of living for the sake of others, right? One way of witnessing. So why we need to witness, not because we need something from them, but because we wanted to give love to them, right? Not only to receive something. So but especially when we offer something, when we are in the church, when we are in the different families, community. So when we give something, so we're not expecting any return, right? So it should be, it should be like kind of full-hearted. So giving or doing something good from others, right? Next, so number 24. So tell a good story. Do you like to tell a story?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
but what kind of story you want to tell to your future children? So very good, right? That's why this is best time to create a good story to our life, right? So especially with the people, when we encourage other people, of course we need to create our portfolio, what kind of accomplishment and what kind of experience that we have. So good stories, good stories, enthusiasm, animation, audience participation, spontaneity, memorization, humor, creativity, person, heartwarming. Share something you've experienced. Tell it with the goal of connecting. Put your heart into it. Assume that others want to hear it. Aju? So of course we want to tell something amazing, right? So we want to tell to something adventurous or something very interesting. That's why when we do fundraising, so it sometimes people might not interested. So but we need to tell something very interesting, right? So we are different people and we travel across different country because all people, so they never experience going out their state, and we do fundraising different state, right? So it's kind of very interesting. So tell a good story. Yeah. So to our community people. And lastly, so offer your best. Aju. So you wanna offer our best for God and true parents? Aju. So all of us we wanted to offer something for our heavenly parents and true parents. So we are most likely to give our best to those we love and respect. Aju.
Aju.
But sometimes the problem is, if we don't like the person, we don't want to give our best, right? We don't want to give our best, best things or best offering or best, especially when we are in a mission. So sometimes it's help in the school as well. So if I don't like the teacher, I don't want to really did my best. But if I like the teacher, I will study very hard. So it's also one of like our experience too. So if we are really if we love what we do, so if we love people around us, so truly we will like to give our best to those we love and respect, right? So if you really love this person, so give your best. If you respect this person, so you give your best, right? Give beyond what is required of you. Ajo? So and conclusion. So this is my yeah. So according to the author, John C. Maxwell, my potential is what God gives me. That is His gift to me. What I give back to Him is what I do with that potential. Aju? So imagine if you have something within yourself that God gives, so that you can use to live for the sake of others, to have impacting lives towards other people. So it's our opportunity to take this responsibility, right? Aju? So let's cherish that potential that we have. So in all, so conclusion, the best way to win with people is to invest time and effort in building meaningful relationship. Aju? So, so good relationship that we implant to each one of heart. So it's really become the best way to win people's heart. So winning with people means valuing others and treating them with respect. Very clear. Leadership is not about being in charge. So if you are becoming a leader, it does mean you are only responsible for greater team. But it's about taking care of those in your charge and in those in your charge. So taking care of everyone. So not only one person. So successful people inspire others to be better by their action, not just their words. Aju?
Aju.
Okay, because of that. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Today?
Huh?
No, today.
Ano? Long time.
Time?
This is
Oh,
our...
same clothes.
Same
Same
No,
No,
different.
t-shirt.
This one, okay. Different.
So
your reflection about how
Okay, reflection.
Okay, please welcome somebody.
Me reflection. Okay.
Welcome somebody.
Okay, to give reflection from this How to Win with People. Let's welcome Mickey.
Yeah.
So,